be pranking my sister, and I'm going to trick her, guys. So that I'm going to give her a hairstyle, guys, because it's been a while since I don't comb her hair. So I'm a trick her that I'm going to give her a hairstyle, guys, but deep in my heart I know it's a foolish hairstyle, and I'd like to see her reaction, guys. So stay tuned for the video. She's coming, guys. I sent her for something. All right, so
another one.
Yes. So guys, today I'll be doing a hairstyle. Yes, guys, it's been a while since I don't comb her hair, but it's gonna.
Yeah, boy, yeah, man.
Yes, guys. So I'm gonna butter hair the 3 section.
Don't do small.
Okay. Alright, guys, so that's in 3 section now. So I'm trying to get this part a little bit soft. Yes. So guys, it's practically soft already, guys. So I'm gonna just no. Alright. So I'm just gonna So I'm just going to kernel this into so guys, yeah, I'm just gonna kernel this into one, go right back, and all right, so I finished the middle one. Let's go for the side one. Okay, Rosie?
Me?
Yeah.
Kandakan.
All right, so okay, so done the other side as well. Guys, so remember, if I go tomorrow, I might get a hairstyle if they're face. I think this is good enough.
Oh, what is?
Eh?
What is?
You're not done yet. You're not done.
Janet,
You're not done. You're not done yet.
Eh?
So, some edges.
Oh.
It's not done as it here. Here?
What?
It's not done as it here.
So you do edges before you do your style?
Yeah.
Where the bush? The bush in the fridge.
I always do edges. As a professional hairstylist, you have to do edges before you do your hair. Understand? Yeah. Yeah. So, got to fluff out this so it look more presentable.
Oh my God! Wow!
So smile for the camera now. That's the finish look.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you a killer.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You like it? Wow.
Look
Wow.
girl, what is you putting on my head?
What I mean?
You better go and take the Chinese man hairstyle out of my head, you hear?
Jesus!
Which China one hairstyle?
Mommy, come look what she put on my head.
Girl,
You
you're
must
selfie
think
to
of
your
these
ear.
like this. Mommy, come look
Girl,
here.
let's have the ear, I'm in your ear. So we are going so far.
Mommy, come look here.
What
Think
you
I want nice ear tutorial the girl do you know. This you have a cardboard box, mommy. No, I'm not laugh. Mommy, come look here.
Mama, call up on the hairstyle, mommy. Mama, call up on the hairstyle.
Me not say nothing to you, cause I must do something back to you.
Girl, this is for my YouTube channel. This is my first year tutorial, like in person. Girl,
This look like when y'all lay a foundation and the door lay good.
What kind of human being is this?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Look a girl.
hold your head and look at the camera. Look how that beautiful. Look at your edge them. What you talk about, girl? My people that want. My people that wish you have your edge them. Eh? Girl, look on the edge. Look, turn again. My people that like to have your edge them. What you talk about, girl?
Pull this out of me here. This door look good.
Mommy. Donnelly.
Then are you?
Daniel, come
Just
here.
come
Come
here.
here. Come here. This hairstyle looking very beautiful. Look how nice. Could have dimples a show. This hairstyle I can't dimples a show. Before the dimples could show.
Girl, take this out of me. Me no in a bag of talking with you.
What do I want me to do?
Take this out of me.
Girl, I
We
said
don't
you
want it. And me not
And
pull
this
you up
your
because
wig,
it's
I
not
want-
me do the behavior.
But yeah, we're gonna watch it tomorrow. What's wrong with that?
This
Girl,
girl look like a chicken a lay egg in my head.
Look on the ear, girl. Hold on your head and look on the ear.
Pull out this out of me. Me not say nothing bad. Me no say.
Look here, I said nothing back. Mommy, look here. Look on the hairstyle, mommy. Call up on the hairstyle.
Dem in the seat from afar, when I come so come.
No, you can't stop this. You don't want to come in here. You can't stop this. So. No, she's leaving. We look on it from the front here. No, you're not got the camera is not seeing you. Stand up right here. The camera not see you. Yeah, look on the hairstyle and tell me if a good hairstyle.
No, ugly hairstyle. That look nice.
See, Kenya come. Ask cat. Yo. Ask her.
Miss Kim. No know what kind of criticism them here. You can't bother. Mom. Alright, what am I gonna do? I have to do something back to you. What try?
Eh?
I'm gonna do something back to you.
Guys, thank you so much for watching because me now pull out this. This is a banger hairstyle, guys. A lot of young girls out there want a hairstyle. And me do it. Some of them are gonna tell me, guys, look on the hairstyle, oh, it's nice.
Girl, this a hairstyle I look like is something them way what you call it, boy? Wait, no. Tarzan there swing pan. It's something
Guys, look on that hairstyle. Look on that hairstyle, people. Look on that hairstyle and tell me what you think about it. Look on that girl, you come back and nasty good. Go down in the camera. Go down in the camera. Then look on that hairstyle and tell me what you look. This is a hairstyle nice. This is a nice hairstyle. And for a girl like you, it fits you because this is your average. This is your category. This is the type of hairstyle that fits your face well.
I don't want to hear about you, know, girl. Yeah, but me not laugh. I must do something else. I have to do something.
What you gonna do me when me can't do you? You can't do here and me help you out and you want to war me.
Stop it. Get some help.
Eh? Look at your face so you brighten up your face and give you a hedge. Let me fix up your edge. Can you feel like you know look? Let me fix up your edge.
Don't bother going on my ear, girl. Can't make me not we can't make people see this. Come pull out this a Chinese man. This looks like it. You know them Egyptian hairstyle. Girl, come pull out them.
Guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you want more prank, guys. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. Come here, Shino. Shino, come here. I want prank. Come here, come here. Come here, I want prank, Shino.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and leave a nice comment down below. And thumbs up the bell and sure you turn on the bell notification, alright? Shino, what happens to the camera?
This guys, this is not a prank. This is
Guys,
a
my
whole
prank car say,
disaster.
my prank car say me gonna do her ear, but when she come out here, she think me gonna do her ear for true. So me do her ear and do her edges. And it look beautiful.
So you watch it?
Guys, look at this, look at this.
Yeah, it's really double fast.
Bye.
It'll be okay, so